This is the Honda Clarity, and if you're getting the warning message saying brake system problem in this car, there are two items that you need to check first. First of all is the 12-volt battery. Check the 12-volt battery with a load tester, and if it reads low, it's not showing proper voltage, just recharge or replace this 12-volt battery. They usually last about 4 years, sometimes 3 years in these cars, because in hybrid vehicles, 12-volt batteries are not very long lasting. And the second problem that causes it very often, it's this shifter assembly, but it's reliable. It doesn't break or something. It needs cleaning all the time because a lot of dust goes here in the parking brake area, in this shifter area, especially the park button. So you need to take the vacuum cleaner and clean carefully this shifter. This is a very common problem for the Honda Clarity or any other Honda with this kind of shifter assembly. And when you clean it, the brake system problem may disappear. But if it doesn't disappear and you still see the brake system problem, your DIY things didn't help, you need a good high-end scanner for this car, Honda compatible scanner. Maybe launch, maybe a Honda official scanner in the dealership. It will take codes from all different kinds of modules, and you will easily see what's wrong with this car, because otherwise you will just throw in money down the drain to try and guess what's happening with this vehicle.